Hello. In this video, I wanna show you some hints for view student information. Okay, so just remember, you have everything in an array list student. In the previous steps, we read the data from a file, create objects, and add the object to an array list. So all your objects already exist in array list. So in this phase, you will have to use for loop, selection, and another for loop maybe to display the proper information. Okay, so view student information. Things about it. In order to display student information, what do you need? You need to receive an ID. So you're gonna display, for example, please enter the student ID. And the user is going to provide, for example, that ID. Okay, that ID. After that, you will have to display this information. Boom. So first thing that you will have to do is validate that the ID exists in your array list, right? Correct? How can we gonna do that? You have everything in array list, so just create a for loop, and inside the for loop, if right this ID match with the ID in the array list one by one. If that happens, you found the student. And then you're going to display the student with that format. Remember, you have get first name, get last name. So just concatenation. Remember, you have get street, get country, get state, get zip code. So concatenation. You have get phone number. See the format. So you will have to use substring here to format the string like this. Email and then mayor. What happened with mayor? You have in the array list mayor ID. You don't have the mayor name, but you will have to display the mayor name. So what do you need? What do you need to display the mayor name? You don't have that information in the student list. So you will have to find, search in the array list mayor if the student mayor ID for that student match with any mayor ID in the complete list. You have an ID here. You're going to start checking in the mayor. If they match, perfect. You will have to extract the mayor name because you find just mayor ID. Okay, if you found that, grab the mayor name and save that in another variable because you need to display the mayor name. And after that, you will have to display the expected graduation date in the following format. The name of the month and then the year. But remember, you have everything in a string. The format, for example, 08, something like this. So you will have to use the split method. Index 1 is going to be the year, index 0 is going to be the month, but the month as a number. So you will have to create like an if to validate if SA token 0 is equal to 1 is January, if SA token 0 is equal to is February, and so on. So many if else, like 12 if else, right? To validate the number of the month and display the month. Okay, so basically this is the idea. Okay, So what do you have to do? It's create a method in your data util. Public void bring student view student info. Okay, with the explanation that I provide you. How many parameters you need to receive? One is the ID, right? Second, array list of what? Student. What else? You need a major name, right? So you need an array list of major. Okay? So this is that you need. You need that information to provide this out. Okay? Work on that. I hope this clarify you what you have to do.